Hey guys, what's up? And today I will be doing another Lego Chima set review. So today I'll be doing an unboxing and a super fast motion speed build. So this is going to be really special, and yeah. So it has 369 pieces, ages 7 to 14. And the number for this set is 70011. Eagles Castle, of course. And it comes with 3 minifigures, Lennox Warriors, and I forgot this guy. But he's the leader of the Eagle tribe. Sorry, I forgot his name, but this is the back, and that's about it. So I'm sorry, guys, the door just shut. So yeah. So once you open this, you will see 2 instruction booklets. This is the second one, but this is the first one and the second one over there. So it comes with 2 ripcords, of course, and it comes with 1, 2, and 3 bags, as you can see over here. Comes with 3 bags, and it comes with a card. This is the card for Lennox, and I think this is the one for Words. Yeah, so yeah, I will be starting the super fast motion speed build. So let's just start. So let's head on to the review. So first I will start with the minifigures, the speeders, the ripcord, obviously, the cards, and the box, and all the instruction booklets first, and then I'll head on to the Eagles Castle itself. So yeah, let's start. So these are the cards for Lennox. So there's 10 cards in total. 5 cards for Lennox and 5 cards for Wars. So the first one is Lennox himself, and the second one is his Speedor's accessory called Sarat, and the next one is his main sword that he's carrying, which is called Fangus, and his speeders itself called Defender 4, and his staff for like jousting and stuff called Staffa. So there's 5 cards in total. These are the cards for Wars. So this is Wars himself, not itself, but Wars itself. And the next one is his speeder's accessory called Nitronox. It's like a rocket thing. And the next one is Maulus, his main weapon that he's carrying. And Hunter, the same weapon that Lennox was holding. The staff for jousting. And I'm sorry, that's the speeders. I'm sorry. This is the speeders itself, and this is the what was it? The staff for jousting and stuff. So yeah, these are the same pictures, but this is just zoomed in. So yeah, so this is about it, and I will head to the minifigures. These are the minifigures. So left to right, we have Wars. He's basically the leader of the wolf tribe. He's the bad guy, and his cape looks really cool. And Ewald. And then we have Lennox with his sword called wait, I forgot. Fangus. And War's sword is called Mollis. And Ewald doesn't have any swords, because he doesn't fight or anything. He's like a librarian. And yeah. So let's start with Wars. So Wars is very cool. Amazingly cool in my opinion. I basically bought this set just for him. And his speeders, whichever one. But he's very cool. And I especially like his cape, yeah. Without his cape he just looks like what was it? Like a regular typical wolf. Which I don't really like. So without his cape he doesn't look cool at all. So if you take his face off, or his mask kind of thing off, you can see this is the angry face, and if you turn it around, you can see his normal face. But it looks very sad for some reason. He's like crying. So yeah. So let me put the cape back on. Okay, so that's normal face. And this is Mollis, and I really like Mollis for some reason. I really like it because it's very compact, because the sticks are 3 blocks tall, and it really fits in. And it's pretty unique because they used a set of binoculars and these claws, and the red really fits in well. So I think this is really cool. And yeah, so that's about it with Wars. Okay, so that's about it with Wars. And next is Ewald. So he's Ewald. And he doesn't have any chi crystals on his chest, like most other Chima characters do. And he's the leader of the Eagle tribe, like I said before, and I don't hate him. He is okay, but I just don't like his dress kind of thingamajig. The bottom part. He doesn't have any legs. Just looks really weird. And it makes him really tall, so I don't like this part. But I especially like his head. Very, very cool. One of the coolest ones in Chima. And that's why I like him. Not a lot, but I just like him. So, as you can see, we have this drawing on his forehead, and the prints are really good, and the shape also is very cool. And yeah, so that's about it with Ewald. And that's his angry face. This is his angry face. And this is his, like, normal face. So let me put it back together. And let's head on to Lennox. So Lennox is just a soldier of the Lion tribe. And I especially like his weapon called Fangus. Very cool. I like this color. This color really matches well with this black and this white. So it's very cool. I like this especially because they used this Lego piece right here, and they didn't do this like most other Lego like creators do. They didn't do this. They made it go like this way, and that makes it really interesting, and it is really cool. So I really love his sword, his weapon. I said sword again, but that's his weapon, and this is Lennox. He's very cool looking. And if you take this off, this is the normal face, and this is the angry face. So yeah. So I think this is about it with the minifigures. So let's head on to the speeders. These are the speeders, and we have Lennox's speeders and Wars' speeders. So let's start with Wars. So Wars, I really like the speeders because of this part, this metallic silver plastic wolf thing. I don't know what to call it, but it's really cool. I just love the color, and I just love the shape. It's very, very unique and cool, and it really fits in well. If you see it from the top, it's really cool looking. It really fits in well, like over here. There's some space in here, but yeah, it's really cool. And I really, really like this part, the speeders itself, without the accessory, because I have two reasons. I have 2 points that I don't like about this. The first one is Nitronox, his speeders accessory kind of thing, and it's shaped like a rocket, but I just don't like the look of it. It's really thin, and I just don't like it. And the second point is that his cape, how do you call it? How do you say it? But you can't do it like this. This part blocks the cape from being regularly. I don't know how to say it, but for example, if you make him stand up like this, you can see that his cape is heading this way. But if you make him ride on the speeders, his cape will look like this, because this is blocking. There's no air right here. There's this block that will block this cape from being going down like that. So I don't like this. And yeah, so I'm sorry I couldn't explain it well, but let's head on to, Lennox. So yeah, this is Lennox. There are no points that I dislike, because not because, but the points that I like are this. There's 2 reasons. The blade, Lennox's speeders accessory, which is called, I'm searching, Serrat. Like a blade shaped knife kind of thing. And I like this also because it's very compact, and that's what I like most about this. And I like this metallic silver part because it's pretty cool. And I like this part, which is sticking, which represent the lion's fangs, of course. And yeah, that's about it, guys. And it has 2 speeders, not 2 speeders, I mean 2 ripcords, obviously, or else you won't be able to play speeders with this, which makes no sense, obviously. So that's about it with the speeders. So let's head on to the main part of this set, which is the Eagles Castle. This is the Eagles Castle itself. So this thing has 300 pieces, and there's this little mechanism over here. So the whole point is you get your speeders, you use your ripcord, and you make your speeders run. And there's this ramp here, these green ramps. So the whole point is to hit this part. and once you hit it, the wings fold. The wings open, I mean. And to do it again, you have to fold it like this, but yeah, the whole point is to hit here, hit this thing, and whoever hits it the most wins. So yeah, this pretty much indicates if whether your speeders won or not. So this is like proof that you won. But there's a little problem with this. So you do it with 2 people. You do it at the same time, but if these 2 speeders hit this, if 2 speeders hit this at the same time, it's really hard to notice which one hit it. So yeah, that's the main problem with this, but it's not a big deal or anything, but yeah. So this has 12 Chima crystals. In the TV show, they're like these Chima chi spheres, but in the Lego sets, they're shaped like crystals. They're pretty cool. And yeah, so as you can see here, in here, this is like a throne, and Ewald sits in the throne, sits here watching Wars and Lennox battle, do the contest, the Chima contest thing. So yeah, I think that's about it, and yeah, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe, rate, and comment.